Okay, let's take this tail light off. This is your car. We're going to begin by removing this cover. Might have to take this guy off here. You can get the job done with a flathead screwdriver again. If you like doing it yourself on most of these cases in these cars, about a $15 tool because it's metal. But if you got one at Harbor Freight, you can pay about $3. $1.99. Makes it much easier. See, push pin clip. Cachito. Okay. You have 3 nuts behind here, 10mm ones. Here's one. You're gonna want to remove to get access. The connectors. There's the other. Not the connectors, I'm sorry, the wire. There you go. You can unplug your... So it can be hard to get access to the connector here. You can either unplug it now or remove the 10mm nuts and unplug it when you have it out, which that is what we are going to do. It comes in handy having a magnet retrieval tool, because sometimes you can drop a nut here, and just be very careful if you end up dropping a nut or a tool here. You're gonna go fishing behind all these panels and have to take all this apart. Okay, so now that we got the nuts out, we still have a clip in place here. We're gonna go ahead and push on this as we pull on the buttons. Comes right out. Sometimes. There we go. Okay. Now we got access. In some cases you need to remove the bumper. In this one, we do not. If you're gonna change your bolts, easy to go behind there and access. You gotta replace the tail light. Now we have easier access to the connectors. Sometimes it's easy to get a flathead. On your wire. Now we got the tail light out. Ready car parts. This part is around $125 shipped to you. Retail from Toyota, you're looking at about $180. Our mission at Ready Car Parts is to help do-it-yourselfers and car enthusiasts get the job done by making auto body simple, professional, and affordable. I think that's